Let's factor this polynomial expression. 16c to the fourth minus d to the fourth plus 4c squared minus d squared. Now, we're going to do that by grouping. So, we'll group the first two terms here and likewise group the last two terms. So, right here, 16 c to the fourth minus d to the fourth plus 4c squared minus d squared. Now take note of this. 16c to the fourth is a perfect square. D to the fourth is a perfect square. So we have here a difference in the squares. Now, if we get the square root of 16c to the fourth, that's 4c squared. Then we'll raise it to the second power. Now, that's minus, get the square root of d to the fourth, that's d squared. Then we'll raise it to the second power. So d squared, quantity squared is d to the fourth. Now, plus, that's 4c squared minus d squared. Now, although this is also a difference in the squares, we will leave this as it is for the time being. So let's concentrate here. If I denote 4c squared as x and d squared as y, we now have here x squared minus y squared. So that's the difference in the squares of two numbers. Now recall, x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y. Now, we're going to substitute the values. So right here, x equals 4c squared and y equals d squared. So we'll substitute x and y in this formula. So that's x plus y, 4c squared plus d squared times x minus y, that's 4c squared minus d squared plus 4c squared minus d squared. There. Now take note of this. We have here 4c squared minus d squared, 4c squared minus d squared. So they are common in the binomial, 4c squared minus d squared. So let's factor that out. Right here, 4c squared minus d squared times quantity 4c squared plus d squared. So 4c squared plus d squared times 4c squared minus d squared is equal to this product here, plus 1. So 1 times 4c squared minus d squared is equal to this binomial here. Now, take note of this. We have here another set of difference in squares. Now, in this one, using the same formula, the x squared here is 4c squared, and the y squared is d squared. So let's use the same formula. This time, our x squared is 4c squared, and y squared is equal to d squared. So if we get the square root of both sides, this becomes x is equal to 2c. Get a square root, that's y equals d. So we'll substitute these values here in this one. So that's x plus y. That's 2c plus d times x minus y, 2c minus d, times, now let's remove the bracket, that's 4c squared plus d squared plus 1. Now let us rearrange. So I'll write this one first. That's 4c squared plus d squared plus 1 times 2c plus d quantity times 2c minus d. And that's the answer.